Hello friends, welcome to Gokul Tech. Today we are going to see another formula which is called ceiling in Excel. So by the name you will get an understanding of ceiling. Ceiling means nothing but the top of the roof, I mean like top of roof, or if you call the roof is called as a ceiling. So how it is related to Excel? Why we are using the name ceiling in Excel formula is like this will help you to understand which is the next nearest value to the particular ceiling number which we are going to give in the Excel. So I think you are excited to know how it will work. Yeah, sure, I will going to show that. Before that, we have already posted 6 days of challenges of 25 days formula challenge formula. I have given all the links in the description. You can watch and you can watch the day 7 as well. Let's jump into the today's video. So I have opened a sheet and called ceiling, and you can see I have given the numbers and nearest value, and it's called ceiling. And now what I'm going to see is I'm going to enter the formula of ceiling equal to ceiling. You can see ceiling here. It says number and significance. So I'm going to enter the number 1, which is in the column A, comma, significance, which means that significance value which you are going to show the numbers. So now I'm going to select 2. See, you can see I have given 2 for all the numbers. Okay, just click enter. It says 2. Let's do it for all the numbers. You can see for 2 is also 2, but 3, if you see for 3 it's coming as 4, for 1 it is coming as 2. This is reason why, because the significance means the multiplication of 2. See, the 3, but it will be not divisible by 2. The next which is multiplied by 2 is the 4. If you go for 5, the multiple next value of 2 is 6. Suppose if I change the value to 3, right, you can see all the value will be changed according to the multiples of 3. See, for till 3 we can getting the value of 3, but if you see for 4 it is going to 6. This is how it shows the number which is divisible by 6. You can take it as divisible by 6 or multiple by the particular significance value. Let's say for now, see, in 4, 5 and 6, the number which is nearest to the multiplication of 3 is 6. That's why we are getting the significance value of 6. And if you go for 7, 8 and 9, it will be like 9, 9, 9. And till for the 10 it will be 12, because 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. So whichever is divisible, or whichever is divisible by the particular significance value, it will show the top number, which is highest value number. That is why it is called as ceiling. 1, it is not multiplied by 3 is equal to 3, but if you divide by 4 with 3, you will get a remainder 1. So that's why it is taking 6. 6 is the next higher value, which is the multiplication of 3. That's how the significance work. Significance is help to know if, accordingly how you change the value. Suppose if I enter 5, right, this 5 will show you 5 and 10, because till 5 you can see this particular value. So 4, the next highest value of divisible by 5 is 5 only. So that's how it will automatically change. This formula can be useful to identify the next nearest value to the value which you are going to give, nearest or significant value which you are going to give in the your data. Hope you have understood this video. If not, if you have any query on this particular video, please do post your query in the comments. See you in the next video. Until then, bye from Google Tech. Thank you. Jai Hind.